In a recent announcement, bankrupt crypto lender Celsius has initiated additional withdrawals for certain eligible custody users. However, it's important to note that only specific custody assets are currently available for withdrawal, while other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, remain inaccessible. Starting November 29th, two groups, namely Class 6A general custody claims and Class 6B withdrawable custody claims, are eligible for withdrawals. Users within these groups have until February 28th to make their withdrawals. Qualifying users can withdraw 72.5% of their crypto minus transaction fees, provided they did not participate in a previous custody settlement. And in the November 29th announcement, Celsius urged users to withdraw these assets from the Celsius app immediately and to keep personal records of relevant information, as the app will only be accessible for a limited time. However, despite the withdrawal option, some Celsius users have experienced difficulties, according to reports on the X platform. This development comes as some 58,300 users hold approximately $210 million worth of assets that have been deemed custodial assets by the court. According to user responses to the Celsius announcement, there have been reports of login failures on the platform. Users claim to be experiencing errors even after attempting to reinstall the Celsius app. But additionally, some users have expressed concern that their earn accounts are empty, further exacerbating the issues faced by former users of the crypto lending platform. One user specifically stated, "My frozen portfolio balance is visible. My custody balance shows zero." As reported by our sister website, Bitcoinist Celsius recently obtained approval from the bankruptcy court for its proposal to transition into a creditor-owned Bitcoin mining company. This plan involves repaying customers through a combination of crypto assets and stock in the newly established Bitcoin mining firm, which will be publicly listed. The distribution of assets is expected to commence in early 2024, pending endorsement from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. However, Celsius acknowledges the possibility of liquidation if the crypto mining proposal fails to materialize. The Apple died, and also want CEO to have emerged in a niece saying that the teacher of bantering building at Socrates Celsius and its founder and CEO Alex Mashinsky had faced misleading practices. And Celsius promptly settled with the FTC, agreeing to pay $4.7 billion once the bankruptcy proceedings concluded. Mashinsky has been charged with fraud. His criminal trial is scheduled this year. Overall, the resolution of the reported issues faced by Celsius users remains uncertain, including the login difficulties and accounts displaying zero balances. It is yet to be determined whether these occurrences are temporary or persistent and how the platform intends to address them. The future actions and measures Celsius took to rectify these concerns are still to be clarified. The lender's native token, CEL, is trading at 0.2533 of 5% in the past 24 hours. However, it is important to note that the token has yet to recover from its 2022 decline and remains down more than 50% year to date.